Hi, so today we're gonna make this brush. And if you like making brushes as I do, please subscribe to the channel and you will know when I'm gonna launch the next course with all the secrets about making brushes in Procreate. Okay, so let's start. First, we open our brush library, click on the plus button, and we're gonna take the rendering. We keep it in intense glaze. In the Apple Pencil, we're going to reduce the opacity so we don't have any change with the pressure of the Apple Pencil. And as well, let me go here, the tapper, also I will reduce the pressure. That comes by default with this brush. And then I'm gonna make this maximum size bigger and you will see why now. Okay, click done. Now we're going to duplicate this brush and go to the stroke path and reduce the spacing. You can see that the thickness of the brush now is a bit less than before. And we're going to use that. And the grain, we'll go to grain, edit, import from source library. And instead of grain, we're going to use a shape that is here. The hex shape. Have fun with all the shapes you want. You will get hundreds of new brushes with this. Okay, so let's scale this a little bit down as I wanted, like this, and then I'm gonna create some movement. I want that shape to move with my brush. You can play with these settings as you wish. Okay, maybe around here. Okay, great. Now that I have these two brushes, I will select the next one together with the first one because we're going to combine these two. To do that, you select the upper one and then slide to the right. And we're selecting both. Now we can see that on the top we have the word combine. We combine both brushes. Now, you can see, you cannot see the texture we have in this one. So we have to click here and change the combine mode to difference. So this is making the upper part, the upper brush, to take that information from the bottom brush. And still we have this bright color on the border from this other brush. So we go to rendering, you keep intense glaze here, and on the top one you can go with uniform glaze or light glaze. Depends on what you want to do. I want uniform glaze in this one. And the way it behaves with other brush strokes you do, it will be here in blend mode. Let's use another color so you can see what we're doing here. When we blend two strokes together, we change this. You see how it changed, but it changed little, like this is overlay, soft light, hard light, and you can change all this so you can observe what it's doing in here. I will go with soft light. Okay, then I will not care about the wet mix, but if you want to play around with this, go for it. I will explain this in my course. And in Apple Pencil, I will take pressure sensitivity to the max, and to make it a bit easier to work with, I'm going to add some stabilization for the pressure as well. And now we have a brush. Let's try it. Turn this off, choose a contrast color, and now we have this foam brush that you can use either for lettering or for making bubbles very easily. So I hope you like this tutorial today, and be sure to subscribe to get more news about my upcoming course of all the secrets about creating brushes. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!